Hello there. As we all know, solar energy is an affordable and environment-friendly option. Now more and more Australians are turning towards renewable energy. One will have many decisions to make while going solar. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid while buying solar in Australia. First mistake one can do is not researching about the brand's solar installer offers. A solar panel system is a huge investment for your house in the long run. So you should learn and have every knowledge about the products and brands that your chosen solar installer is providing. Conduct research online by reading their reviews and customer testimonials. Are their existing customers happy with the installation? Do they have a good experience with the products used for installation? Contact the solar company directly and ask them about the kind of solar panels and inverters they use in their solar installation. Ask about brand and manufacturer, and the reason to choose those brands for their installations. Second mistake one can do is not asking for multiple quotations. Never settle for less. No matter which system design you choose according to your energy requirements, it's essential to ask for multiple quotes before deciding the solar installer you choose. While most solar installers are trustworthy, there still happens to be some bad solar installers you need to beware of. Some solar companies can charge you double what the solar panels and installation cost you. Eventually, it leads to you losing your money to save on energy. Study about what each of these solar installer is offering, and whether they consider many essential aspects before installation, such as installation budget, the type and orientation of your roof, the appropriate solar panel size you need, and so on. Third mistake one can do while choosing solar panels is assuming cheap solar panels works the same as the premium ones. Will you pay for cheap food just to save money? No, right? Because quality matters. People tend to go for cheap solar panels as their primary motive behind switching to solar is to save on their utility bills. But it surely doesn't mean you should purchase low-cost solar panels. They may seem like a great idea initially, but they will cost you much more after a few years when you will have to replace the entire solar system all over again, as the current one goes faulty or breaks down. Another mistake which can happen often is opting for DIY solar panel installation for your house. People nowadays love DIY things, which is a great thing. We get to learn some new things. But this doesn't apply to solar installation. You would not want to attempt on your own, unless you have the proper expertise and experience to pull it off. Before you go ahead with the DIY installation, here are a few questions you should ask yourself. What size of solar panel system will you need for required energy consumption? An ideal solar panel will need how much roof support? How will the wiring for a complete solar system be completed? Which is the appropriate direction to place the solar panel on your roof? If you fail to answer these questions with certainty, we would suggest it's best to leave the solar installation job to a professional and experienced solar installer in Australia. A single mistake in the installation process could cause endless headaches in the future. The last mistake to avoid is not considering the after-sales support you'll need. Ongoing customer support is important for understanding and operating your solar panels at their maximum efficiency. While this is important for many larger purchases, it's also important to ensure the after-sales support solar installer offers. You are investing in a product with a long lifespan over the coming decades, and has often been selected based on the years of energy savings it can provide. You might think you have got a good system when you go with an inexpensive solar installer, but you may end up losing thousands of dollars in coming years in repairs, system maintenance, and inefficient performance of your solar system. Switching to solar energy is beneficial not only for your wallet, but also for the environment. Contact us today and go solar with a reliable solar installer.